What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. This is supposed to be a spark plug calibrator or something like that, right? But I am going to use it for a different reason. So here we are. Link will definitely be in the description because I know some people may have this problem that I'm faced with, but I have this tool right here, and one day I might use it for a spark plug just to show you how to use it for a spark plug. But right now we are going to use it as a hinge holder or a supporter for our hood and our trunk glass for our truck. So let me go ahead and show you how we are going to use it. Alright, you guys, so we are in the back of my truck, 2007 Ford Expedition. Gotta let you know because this is the problems you might be faced with. Alright, you guys, so I had this truck for about 10 years now. Obviously I say it's 2007, so you can do the math and tell how old it is. But one day we tried to get into the glass, just open the glass, and guess what? It comes back down by itself. So one day I had my head here and I hit my head and it hurt very bad. So what we are going to do is see if that little clamp can support it. So it's right there, borderline to a 1/2 inch opening. I think that's pretty good as far as these hydraulic lifts go. All right, so what we're going to do is lift it and try to screw it in, and you see how that goes in, just like that. Lift it up. Hold it up like that. Squeeze as tight as possible. And that's it. Alright, you guys, so there you go. It holds it up. If you have this problem, there you go. This is a tool for you to use if you're not into changing all of these hydraulics right here. If you try to lift your hood up and your hood decides to keep falling down, your hydraulics are getting weak, you could do the same method. Put that piece right here and squeeze it down. I'll show you real quick. Alright, you guys, so let's say if your hood keeps coming down like that and you have no way to hold it up, this is a much easier way. So you got it open, you put it in, you twist, and then twist as tight as possible, and your hood will not come down. So this is a pretty cool way to secure your hood, and a better way to secure, make sure you get two. Get one for this side and get one for the other side. I got one just because I just got one to test it out, but I may get another one so I can be secure that both sides are tight. Alright, you guys, so this support clamp is awesome. Just in case you have a situation like mine, they say it's supposed to do spark plug gaps and stuff like that, so I will have to look more into it just to test that out. But other than that, that's it with this product. I might feature it again one day in the future. Like, comment, and subscribe.